Hello and welcome to this video. This is DGC and we are doing an unbagging video, and as you can see I've got Trinity to my left. She's a nightmare, she's an absolute nightmare when it comes to these videos, but anyway, we will plod on. This was supposed to be an unboxing video of a Blu-ray drive that I managed to purchase via Scan Computers. As you can see there, they're based in Bolton. This isn't an affiliated video, this is just some recent hardware that I've managed to purchase as of date of recording, and we are going to see, once it's inserted into my system, we are going to see if it can actually play a Blu-ray drive. And this is the easiest one to hand, which this is, if you can see it right, this is Pirates of the Caribbean, full movie collection. I won't be doing most of the movie, or won't be putting anything of the movie on here. I will just see how it runs, probably like the main menu and a bit of see if the movie starts up, because I don't want to be don't want to have copyright issues. And also, as you can see here, I've got I've got The Porridge, which is an old classic BBC series, mini-series or series. They did two series out of it, and it's one of my favourite DVDs or classic BBC series out. And as you can see, oops, there we go, there's me, hello. Yeah, and there's the cat. Come on, cat, move your backside. Oops. Oh, bloody hell. But anyway, let's see what this has on. Now this was sold OEM. Now the model of this is an ASUS Blu-Ray RE16x Blu-ray DVD, and I will link it in the description below, and also I will link an Amazon description below, just so, sorry, an Amazon link below. But anyway, so this has no sort of things that you usually get in the box, so it has no no drivers with it, nothing like that. But I will link any drivers that you may need on the for the DVD ROM or Blu-ray drive, or any software that you may need. But you probably will need software, play Blu-rays, but you could easily get them. I will put a link in the description below of certain software that I'm using with this drive, or will be using with the drive, should I say. But oh god, the bloody cats ended up going to the kitty litter tray. This cat's a nightmare. So as you can see, it comes in an anti-static bag. So let's just have a look what it's. Ooh, nice and shiny. Oops, wrong way round. So as you can see, it's a Blu-ray ASUS E-Green, I think it's energy efficient drive. That, if that can come on, I don't know if you can see that, but there's the model number. There's all the details of the drive, and yep, the code, the QR code for probably manuals and stuff. And there's another tech list for it, so you've got all the official stuff on there. And all you've got here is SATA power and SATA data. That's all really you need on the Blu-ray drives, or any SATA or SATA connected peripherals now. I always remember when I used to use IDE drives, used to have IDE or SCSI drives, and just had loads of pins out here. Except you have none of that. They're all manufactured to a certain standard now. And as you see, there's the rail holds there, and nothing really to report on this. So we will have this inserted into the system, So yeah, the next thing is to put it in the system and then see if it works. Right, as you can see, it is finally in the system. It's a bit fiddly, but I had to I've just been testing out Band of Brothers in it, but I did have to move around a few stuff, move around the hard drive, reseat everything and stuff like that. But as you can see there, all my drives are anyway. Let's see how this goes for. Let's first check out a DVD. So we're going to check this out. So this is where let's see if it'll check up. I'm just using this using hands-free, not using the tripod. Yep. Right, as you can see, it can read a DVD. So what I am going to do is I'm going to mute the audio a little bit. Play order. Now this is Porridge. This is a classic BBC drama with Ronnie Barker on it. Yep, so that works. So let's stop that before I get... I've had to include no sound, because if I do include sound I will get copyright DMC bloody thingy. Right, so now we're going to try one of the DVDs here. We're going to try Pirates of the Caribbean, The Stranger Tide, on Stranger Tides. Now let's see if this actually does Blu-ray DVD, unless I need to actually download something. So let's take that one out, put that one in there, put that in here. Right, let's see if it actually... Oh, it's thinking, it's reading, as you can hear. Oh, right, so what is it doing now? Right, so... Oh, yeah, right. Oh, no. Right, so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to download a Blu-ray, oh god, fucking hell, clear it. Right, so I'm going to have to download a Blu-ray player. I think I've got one on my drive, so let's just have a look. Right, so a couple of hours have elapsed since the last part of the video, and I've just been trying to find a suitable piece of software, hence to run Blu-ray DVDs on my system, and through endless searching on the internet and through the Mac and through the Microsoft Marketplace, as you can see here, I have found this piece of software, which is called Blu-ray Pro, made by Yellow Elephant Productions, and it is a trial piece of software, but you can buy it. It is a subscription fee, and I think I got 12 months for £8.39, which is not bad really, because other software such as Power DVD, which is this software, Power DVD 23, and if you go on to upgrade, let's just put that back on there. Let's just turn that one. Right, this retails at £27.99, but that's on the Black Friday, and it's usually about 40 odd quid. And there's other ones such as Video Buy, which this is also a subscription fee, and this is, where is it? This is £29 a year, oh sorry, $29.95 a year, and goes up to $69 per year, which I think is just scandalous for what you get with it. And this piece of yellow, where is it? This hang on, where is it? Where is it? Where is it now? I can't bloody find it now. Yep, this Yellow Pro piece of software. This Blu-ray Pro software is an absolute fantastic piece of software. As you see, it's now trying to read the oh, and this keeps coming up. I don't know why that keeps coming up, but it's just some sort of bug with it. Now I will play a little bit of this, but I will have to mute the sound just so you don't just so I don't get any copyright strikes, because for some reason they do copyright strike sound rather than pictures. But we can play a little bit of this if it will do. Will it? Nope, I have to. Right, that's just putting it back in. Right, it will load up Power DVD once again once it loads. Yeah, it's just been an absolute nightmare, this sort of exercise, trying to get Blu-ray. Yep, there's Power DVD loading up. I don't need that. Nope, I don't want that. Cancel that. I need Let's see if this actually loads up now. Yeah, I need to uninstall that Power DVD. Yes, okay, okay. Close. Oh. Right, that bloody crashed then. Right, let's try it again. See, this is the thing is with sometimes these pieces of software, they don't usually work when you're bloody trying to demonstrate them. There we go. Right. So now it should load up. It is going to do it. No, I don't need that. Ah, right. Now, let's see if I can get this. We'll get it. We'll get it in. We'll get it starting up soon. Now it is. Right, so this is loading up, as you can see there. So we just go to that and it should do the movie. I can only do probably a couple of seconds of this. The only problem with this piece of software is what I worked out is, for some reason this thing just automatically you only need to nudge the mouse and it puts that band up. that also is the DVD software, which I've already got DVD software on here, so I don't really need that. But as you can see, it is playing the movie. So as you can see the sound, right, so that is, hang on, let's stop it. That is called Blu-Ray Pro by Yellow, by, what's it called now? I don't know why it does that. Right, yep, so it's Blu-Ray Pro by Yellow Elephant Productions, and this is available on the Microsoft Store, as you can see through the Windows or Microsoft Store. And yeah, so this is the best piece of software that I've seen before, that I've managed to work with. It is a paid software, as I said. It's about £8.39 for a year subscription, or £4.99 for 3 months. I think there's two that you can either pay 3 months or a year. So that's the best piece of software. The other pieces of software just glitch. Power DVD is another good piece of software to download, to use, but you're paying a hell of a lot more for that. But that's usually, like, everyone knows what Power DVD is. Anybody who's had a DVD player, sorry, a DVD drive in their system since the early 2000s, or probably even earlier than that, knows what Power DVD. It's made by Cyberlink. And another one is Into DVD, I think it is, and those are two of the main DVD software, but you do pay premium prices for them. This is the only one that I've known that's cheap enough for it to be worthwhile to buy. But if you do get one of these DVD drives and do have a piece of software, usually you do get the CDs with them, but, or sorry, the DVD ROMs with them. But because this was an OEM product, and as you see before, I didn't get a box with it. I just got it in a bag, in a anti-static bag, or plastic bag, should you say. I didn't get any sort of the goodies that you usually get with it. I didn't get the manual. I didn't get anything like that. But you can usually get the manuals online. But as we know, always with these products now, they don't really use the manuals. They don't really sell them. Don't really include the manuals. They just include the CDs, and some of them don't even include the CDs anymore. So it's pretty much, you get everything apart from the box, and you don't get a SATA cable with it, as you saw before. With this one, I didn't get a SATA cable, but it's one thing to look out for. But SATA cables or SATA cables are usually about a couple of quid or a couple of dollars, or probably a few euros, depending on what your local currency are. Actually, I don't know if it is a DVD rewrite, I don't know, but it's good enough for what I need it for. And as you see here, it is sitting in my system. Yep, I'm just testing it out now, and it will actually play DVDs, this software. So there it is. Anyway, without further ado, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time on another video. But for now, bye for now. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe also, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.